Hello, my name is Matthias. I'm heading the application department, and together we have prepared this line to be able to slice live on the IFFA 2025. We are actually slicing a vegan product, a non-animal based protein, which we are able to slice here on the exhibition without crust freezing. Going down the line, there are a few highlights which are significant for our daily line solution. It already starts peeling the product. Peeling the product is a very sensitive process because there is a high risk of a cross-contamination. Therefore, we have here our peeling table, and here we ensure a clean separation in between the inner to the outer part of the casing. Going down the line, the next big highlight is the scale itself. We have integrated additional measuring functions into the scale, so we detect the leading edge of the portion, adjust the rows to each other already prior entering into the loader. And there is no more additional equipment inside the loader needed. Therefore, we save a huge line length. The whole line here, we are talking about less than 80 meters, including peeling, slicing, weighing, loading, and even packaging. Here at this point, this is the loading area where the portions are being positioned into the packaging machine. The operator has the chance to adjust the center line of the portion to the center line of the tray if needed. But as we see on the live demos, nobody was touching anything. The line was operating fully automatically. Well, it was a very exciting experience, and seeing the big eyes of the audience, how fascinating, how precise the line is working with the real product. And I think that it's going to be not the last live demonstration we're going to show on exhibitions.